Imagine gifting a new bride a treasure trove of family recipes and photos, a cookbook filled with love and tradition. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how to create the perfect bridal cookbook. Every new bride needs great recipes to feed her family. What better way to start than with contributions from both families and friends at a bridal shower? When sending out bridal shower invitations, include a link to your family cookbook project. This allows everyone to contribute their cherished recipes. Set a deadline for recipe submissions, about 3 weeks from when the invitations are sent. Remember, people often wait until the last minute. Encourage both mothers to contribute the most recipes. This way, the bride and groom will have a collection of dishes they grew up loving. Use the Custom Categories tool in FamilyCookbookProject.com to create special sections for each mom's recipes, making the cookbook even more personalized. As recipes pour in, start planning the cookbook's design. Choose from several bridal-themed covers or create a custom one with a photo of the couple. Add photos to bring the cookbook to life. Include pictures of the couple on top of recipes or create custom pages with their journey together. Finally, print the cookbook in time for the event. Serve some of the dishes from the cookbook at the bridal shower, complete with place cards and page numbers. For a memorable wedding favor, consider creating a wedding cookbook for all guests. Learn more at FamilyCookbookProject.com, the leader in online custom cookbook design and printing.